Hello everyone, my name is Gopinath. Welcome and Vanakkam to the channel G for Growth, where you can learn more about housekeeping and hotel industry. In hotels, we are working to make our guests 100% satisfied. In this video, we are going to see how we can make our guests 100% satisfied, how to avoid guest complaints, how to get more positive feedbacks, how to make yourself recognized in TripAdvisor or any other guest feedback forum, and how to increase your tips. If you are new to our channel and want to know more about housekeeping and hotel industry, remember to subscribe. Let's get it. There are three factors by which the guests are either getting satisfied or not satisfied. They are product, people, and services. If the guest is 100% satisfied, in that people are making 60% satisfied, product are making 20% satisfied, and the service is making 20% satisfied. So you have to understand people are having a main role in making the guest comfortable and satisfied. Products can be the beddings, furnitures, the interior designs or infrastructures, etc. Services are how you are servicing the people, the way you are servicing, the standard operating procedures that you are following. The main factor is people, how you are interacting, how you are behaving, what is your attitude. So you have to maintain a proper attitude, behavior, so that your guest will be more and more happy. The first tip that we are going to see is be well groomed. Grooming will give you more confidence to face any guest. You have to always follow the proper grooming standards like nice haircut, clean shave, a tidy uniform, polished shoes, etc. Second is follow your 10 by 5 rule. You know what is 10 by 5 rule? 10 by 5 means always make an engagement in 10 feet and greet in 5 feet. When the guest is coming approximately in 10 feet, always make an eye contact and smile. When the guest is reaching you about in 5 feet, greet the guest and introduce yourself by your name and call the guest also by their name. Then only they will remember your name. Always wear proper name tags. That shouldn't be a damaged one. And don't wear a name tag with a long name. Always wear a name tag with your short name. Always talk to the guest. Whenever you are getting opportunity to talk to the guest, talk to them always. You may be in your rooms, corridor, front office, restaurant, main porch, swimming pool, gym, etc. Anywhere and everywhere, try speaking to the guest. So then only they will feel that people are giving attention to us. You have to always speak like, my name is Gopinath. I am taking care of your room. Is there anything else that I can assist you with? Is there anything else that I can do more for you? Is there any other preferences that you have that enhances your stay? If you are asking this, the guest will feel very happy. Next is anticipating the guest needs. Anticipating the guest needs, doing something to the guest without asking. For example, if you are working in housekeeping, you are seeing that in the morning guest has consumed the English breakfast tea, you are replacing it. When you are going for turn down service, again you are seeing the guest has consumed the English breakfast tea. So what does it mean? The guest needs English breakfast tea. So you have to place extra English breakfast tea in the guest room to make the guest happy. And if you are working in front office, you are seeing a older guest coming, you can offer the room next to the elevator by anticipating their needs so that they will be feeling happy. You are seeing a family coming in with kids, you can give them a bigger room so that they will feel happy. And you are working in a restaurant, a guest is coming in hurry-burry, that means the guest wants to have a quick breakfast and go for his office. You can offer any dish that can be quickly prepared. So these are the ways you can anticipate the guest needs and make them wow. Capture guest preferences and follow up. Always you have to capture any guest preferences that the guest has. You have to do or you have to follow the same preferences when the guest is coming in next time. For example, if the guest is coming and asking the room next to the elevator or a swimming pool view room, you have to offer a same room in the next time also, so that the guest will feel happy. A guest is coming and telling that the guest does not want any curry leaves in his dish. So you have to make that preferences. If you are working in housekeeping, you may see that the guest is consuming a particular tea or coffee more. The guest is using lotion or tissue box extra in the bedside table or writing table. The guest is using and hanging the bathrobe always backside to the bathroom door. These are some preferences that you can capture and note it down in your checklist, and always inform to supervisor or duty manager to make their preferences feed in PMS. So whenever the guest is coming next time, we can always be prepared with these guest preferences and make them happy. Always follow up on any guest complaints or guest requests. For example, if the guest is telling and going to his office that my room AC was not working properly last night, you have to follow up properly with engineering team and get it rectified. Don't think that my job is just to inform engineering and they have to take care of. The guest has informed to you. You have to make sure that the AC problem is rectified. Keep calling them, check and make sure the AC problem is rectified before the guests come back. Maintain proper timing. This is very important because whenever the guest is expecting something to be done in the time frame, that has to be done. For example, if the guest is telling my room to be cleaned by 11 a.m., make sure that you are going and cleaning the room by 11 a.m. If the guest is telling that I have to go to office, arrange the car by 9 a.m., make sure that you are arranging the car before 8:50 and making it ready. This will make their experience better. Always be familiar with your standard operating procedures. The guests are kept traveling one hotel to another hotel. If the guest is seeing one sort of a service in one property and another sort of a service in another property, the guest will feel upset. For example, the wine serving method in previous property, what he have seen is different, and how you are serving wine in your property is different. In turned on service in previous property, the housekeeping had placed water bottle and drinking water glass in the bedside table. In your property, you are not keeping them. In front office for gold members, in previous property, they have given different key pouch, but in your property, you are not maintaining different key pouch. So there are some differences the guest is feeling, no? So that will make them upset. If you come to know that the guest is having birthday, anniversary, etc., you have to make them wow. You can send a cake to the room, flower arrangement, any small flower bouquets, any small towel arts that you can make in the room, that will make the guest feel wow. If any welcome back or repeated guest is coming, you have to give them a special welcome. You may prepare with the special garlands, flower arrangements, flower bouquets and receive them in the main porch. You may provide them a nice cake or bed decoration and welcome back written in it. Always turn the negative situation around. You have to be more attentive to the complaining guest. You have to give a service recovery by which the guest should forget the complaint what he have given. If the guest is complaining, you may provide a special fruit basket, flower arrangement in his room. You can give any special discounts in restaurants or room rates, etc. So always be prepared with some kind of a service recovery that is affordable. But remember, you should not promise any discount on room rates or restaurant rates, everything. You have to always be checked with your supervisor, manager or duty manager. Learn from the guest feedback. If guest is giving any feedback in the guest feedback forum, either it is positive or negative, you have to take them. If it is a positive feedback, maintain them. If it is a negative feedback, always get the opportunities to improve them. If something is happening, some of the guests will write in guest feedback forum and come back to the hotel. some of the guests will experience the same scenario and will not come back to the hotel. So always take the negative feedback as a learning opportunity and improve them so that you will not lose the guest who is not coming back to the hotel. Always be prepared with the nearby tourist attractions or tourist places. If the guest wants to go outside and relax themselves, if the guest is asking you where is the nearby shopping mall or any other tourist places, if you do not know, that is a bad impact. You have to answer them what are the nearby places. At least you have to be prepared with 4 or 5 tourist places nearby so that the guest can remember you. Improve your eye for detail or attention to detail. For example, if you are working in housekeeping, you have to make sure that all the maintenance spots are working properly. If any screw is loose or any hook is shaking, that will make the bad experience to the guest. If you are working in the restaurant, you have to be always seeing when the guest is finishing their meal. If you are in front office, you might be busy with check-ins and check-outs, but you should not avoid any guest. You have to see all the guests. If you are busy, you have to make proper arrangements to take care of the guest. You can keep a handwritten note in the guest room. You can write like wishing you a very good stay. If you want any other assistance or if you have any other preferences that I can assist you with, you can always contact me. I am more than happy to help you out. You can write your name and your number. The guest will feel very happy to contact you if there is any queries or any preferences or any complaints. The guest will always contact you. If you are working in housekeeping, you can always do towel arts in the guest room. If any family guest with the kids, any single lady guest or any long stay guest is there, they will feel very happy to see the towel arts in the guest room. Always arrange the guest belongings in the guest room. For example, you can arrange the toiletries in a nice tray or in a nice towel. You can keep it. The writing table can be cluttered. You can have it arranged and keep it. You can fold the guest clothes and keep it. So these are the ways the guest will feel the difference in the guest room. If you have long stays in your hotel, always take care of them. Maintain the proper room cleaning time. Make sure the guest preferences are fulfilled. When you are going for room cleaning, you can see there are so many luggage in the guest room. You can provide them an extra luggage rack. As the luggage and stuffs are more in the long staying guest room, you may not have a proper timing to do the thorough cleaning. For that, what you can do is you can split it. One day you can do wardrobe area thorough cleaning. Another day you can do bedside table area thorough cleaning. Another day you can go for bathroom area thorough cleaning, etc. Thank you for watching till the end. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Here is a playlist that will be having more housekeeping learning videos. Kindly go through them and enjoy. We will meet in the next video soon. Bye.